another video for you guys, and it's a collab video. I'm gonna be recreating old cringy photos of me and my friends that we're in together. It's such a funny video. I just did some with her. Say hey. Shut up. And yeah, it was a really funny video. I hope you guys like it. I'm collabing with Samantha Nicole Beauty 1. Her channel is freaking amazing. We're both at 900 some subscribers, and we're almost to 1,000, and it'd be really cool if you guys subscribe down below if you're from her channel, and be sure to subscribe to her. She's amazing and really cool. Yeah, it's just real cringy photos going around over here. Her video is gonna be linked in the description. Be sure to watch her video after you watch mine. And yeah, if you guys like this video, and let's get this cringiness started, because it was really bad. We just did some and we haven't changed. Like, literally, we look the same. It's so bad. I know. Okay, let's go. Wait, let's go. Okay, anyways, we're gonna do this boomerang, which is gonna be
Lord, can I
right here on the screen somewhere.
I need to fix my makeup
Or
right
I'm
now.
gonna put it like somewhere, and yeah, that's the
Can you wait a second? Can I
Oh my god, nobody freaking cares about your stupid makeup. Thank you. Anyways, we were at like some like adult meaning like a wedding part like 5.
But I like right here.
So yeah.
Wait, what are we doing? The boomerang?
Yeah, the boomerang.
Ew, what the frick?
Holy? Why did I do that? Oh my
Wait, why is my hair on this side? It's never been on this side.
Okay. Oh my god.
Is it this side?
Can you please wear your glasses for this one?
No, I'm not.
I'll pay you.
No, I don't care.
I'll give you a smoothie.
No, we're not doing this.
Please,
no,
wait.
just do.
1 second.
You're doing it? What? It doesn't make sense.
Can you please?
No,
wear
I'm not
them?
wearing them.
I'm begging you. Literally,
Who do you think I am? No, I'm
fine.
not.
Okay. You know how much?
Oh, wait, my phone.
Okay.
Okay, this is not going. Holy shit!
You look fine. In. Put your head in this way. My in.
This?
Yeah. It looks fine. That literally looks like. Look at the glow up here.
Okay.
Okay. What is my smile? Ew.
Do it? Yeah.
Yay!
You hit my hand so hard.
Wait, what I hit?
My hand.
Oh, you know you scratched me? Look at that. That actually
You deserved
hurt.
it.
You know what happens when people don't take control.
Making a French braid, so let's attempt this French braid. It's gonna be really messy and quick. We have all green. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, and then we're gonna use this eyeshadow as eyeliner. Don't know why I did that. Is this even showing up? Now let's go take the picture. Thing I need to wear, and it literally took me forever to put the head or my neck into this, or my head. So, oh my god. Whoa. I am literally dying. Take this picture and get it over with. Okay, I'm too big. This looks forced. How did I do this? Oh my god, these look horrible and I look horrible and I just need to change. Oh, okay. Anyways, let's get on to the next picture.
You know what happens when people don't take control.
We're doing the third picture now, and it's
No, say it again because I was making a weird face.
doing the third picture now together, and it was at a wedding, and it was like a couple hours ago, and she's wearing her glasses. Okay, can you show us the picture again?
Holy crap.
Okay, I'm just like.
What do I do in my life? I look like I have like.
Take a picture?
Yeah.
Go.
Am I smiling in this?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, you're
Okay.
smiling.
What the?
Why am I still
Oh
holding
my
this?
god. I mean, like, how it looks like it doesn't. Wait, can I see it?
There's no glow up
I
in
just
these
kind of
pictures.
liking this. It's like actually
Still
kind
the
of
same.
You know what happens when people don't take control.
It's gonna be this photo here. It was like, I think 2015.
Yeah.
So that's like 3 years ago. So, 3 or 4?
4. 2018.
Oh yeah, okay, sorry.
No,
Wait.
3.
What math are you doing?
We're gonna fail the SAT.
Oh yeah, okay. Anyways, yeah, so we're just gonna recreate it. I have to go get my somebody to take the picture for us. Let's see how it goes. We're making a really cute heart, and we're gonna be dressed like this.
This is so ugly.
Because I didn't bring those clothes, and I'm not going to. So, is it left side or right side? Okay.
It's like flattened.
Okay, shut up! I'm not
Okay, and then
circa 2015.
and then
Ivan.
Guys, stop!
go.
Ready?
colors. But Maria,
I only like the red.
What do you want?
Can you please help?
Lemon.
You guys are like failing out. Like, okay.
You want me to do it on my phone?
No, I
On
don't.
my phone.
I'm not. Stop! Don't touch it.
Is it recording?
Is the red light beeping? Blinking?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Okay, whoa. Okay, I got this. Okay, can you trying to recreate that? So can.
Oh no!
Where are you at?
Hey girls, it's time to do some squats.
You stand?
Yeah, she does.
Can someone take this?
Family portrait.
Yeah, can you hold this? Okay, someone hold this and someone take the picture. Who wants to hold it?
Okay, get the frick out of here. Pebble, stop trying to get out.
My head hurts.
Get out.
Guys, if you want to take the picture, do it or else no.
Bingo, get out.
Good God.
Lord.
Do it again.
Keep taking it. Wait, show us the picture. Show us the picture. Maybe those are good. That one's good. Whatever that one. Okay, thanks.
You know what happens when people don't take control.
So, now this is the last photo. You know, best for last.
Okay. Ew, the cringiest for last.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Should I like, hold on, how should I make my
Okay,
hair
I need to put my hair in the back.
Yeah, me too. I need to put my hair like in the back.
Oh yeah. You
Yeah.
have. Oh, I forgot about that. Okay, wait. Oh, I have 15% or 60. Oh, the.
Oh my gosh, back in the old days.
I literally look at Nani. Hey, I like this one.
Like,
Wait a second. Are you sure you're on this side? I think, because if you look at it, I'm on. Yes.
oh yeah, switch.
I hear somebody. Oh, who in the world is that?
So funny to me. I just like, this like the olden days. How did we take this and think we were cute?
I don't know. Do
we
you
should
remember
create those other ones too, the other cringy ones that we had.
which one?
You know what happens when people don't take control.
Anyways, yeah, so basically, I hope you guys liked that video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're not already. Get us to 1,000 subscribers. That'd be freaking insane. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I'm gonna go eat now because I'm starving. Are you hungry? 'Cause I'm hungry.
Yeah. Are you done?
Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
To love again.